Testing, testing. I gotta open YouTube in a minute. Just test if my microphone works. So today, who's watching the Okay, so today we're gonna continue working on my mod. Probably there's nobody watching right now. That's fine for now. You can watch the recording of the stream, get everything set up. So, also I'm probably gonna modify my scene a little over here. Give it a second. Okay, let me see if this works. Just do this a little, make some setup. I'm gonna go and get, find a little thing called CSGO. No, it's not CSGO actually. It's still letting see here. So punch it up for test. I'm gonna find MIGI. I could use a fucking folder, it's absolutely fine. Steam apps, common, Counter-Strike, MIGI.exe, here it goes. So, who doesn't know, MIGI is a tool made by Zool, GigaChat in the CS community. It still allows you to properly import models and scripts into your CSGO client, so you could make a mod. That's basically the whole thing. Got that working, and I can just open Notepad with all of my last files that I had. So yeah, that's basically it. I got it all set up, I think. Okay, just check the stream. It looks fine. Let me check for... Sure. Oh, I have no clue why did it show my Steam for a second. Yeah, it happens. Gonna just close that for a second, and I'll be over here in a minute. Actually, I gotta make this full screen. That kinda looks goofy. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, sorry, I can go away for a second because of the goddamn music. I don't know why, but it's like at 2%, it still hurts my ears. And I know I have some loud headphones, but right now they're at 80, which is not actually that loud. Yeah, I think I'm all set up. I'll just get some things together, and in a second, I think we're gonna be start. First, I think I'm gonna work on the icons. Then I'm gonna try to add the pseudo go by menu, and that's basically the whole plan for today. Also, it was the plan for yesterday, so I'd have to suffer quite a bit. I hope I don't have any interruptions. Hello? Hello? So I just understood probably the only viewer watching right now is probably me. Hello, me. So, yeah, I'll just share the link for the stream in some places, and I think we're gonna get started. That's basically it. I don't really have anything else to do today anyway, so... Anything of importance, that's for sure. Okay, hello Anomedai server, if any of you are watching here. You probably could look at the introduction just by going back into the WOD, that's all. Some more links, and I think we're gonna get started. Woohoo, I gotta fucking finish it. Probably, maybe not. So the first thing I have to work on is proper icons. Right now, if in CSGO, here I am in CSGO, if I go into a map and give myself the AK, because right now I'm working with the AK, it will have no icon. It actually does, because if there's no icon, it just doesn't render it outright, and you can see it because it doesn't even take up any space. And right now there is an icon, but it's not properly formatted. So what I was thinking today, if I can't really properly make it, I could probably just go into the CSGO files and borrow the AK-47 icon and then add an edit to it. And then like just reboot all the metadata, because usually most editors just erase it. So yeah, I just gonna do that. Actually, let me give me the AK-47, 74. SU cheats 1, give AK-74. No, weapon AK-74. My A key is acting up a little, but you can see right now my 74 doesn't even show up. There's nothing. And if I kill someone with it, there's not gonna be anything of importance in the kill feed. So let me just get over there. As you can see, it does take up space, but there's literally no icon to go with it, so yeah, that's mostly the issue. So I'm gonna get out of CSGO and right now try to fix it via SVG editor and also borrowing a single SVG file for AK-47. Sorry, I had to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to. I'm first gonna try CS:GO and then materials, panorama, images, icons, achievements. What? Oh, these are CS:GO achievements. Actually, I've never seen them. They look really nice. Why do we don't have achievements in CS:GO anymore? Images, survival, splat.weapon? What's that? Oh. Okay, that doesn't work. There's none. So, if materials for CSGO doesn't work, perhaps could go to CSGO. Perhaps panorama. No, no. There's not even a material folder. What a shame. Bin content, no content. Materials. Oh, no, I don't think that's the thing. We could also try to go to MIGI CSGO files. It does have some presets. Oh wait, never mind. Alright, game? CSGO? Materials? Where's materials? There's no materials, but there is panorama. That's not it. CSGO add-ons? No, that's not it. Community add-ons? Hell no. Core. That's not it. That's a bunch of VPKs imported. LV. Well, violence. Settings, but that's probably not it. Just gonna check core. Not it either. CSGO. Maybe I missed it. Survival? No, that's map icons. It's just a .ai file for some reason. So we only have the achievements, that's all? And they all JPEGs, so that like they're vector images. I don't think you do vector images for achievements. So that's quite a bit of a pickle. You do have panorama folder in. Oh, that's CSGO. I need this. We have platform with materials. Oh, allow. That's not it. Okay, where are you? Why me? What? Not it. Okay. That was like one of the few times Reddit wasn't useful. Okay, what else do we have? How to change composition in human. Not that, not that. Is there anything ever useful when you Google? Oh, CS2. Oh my fucking god. Files. The AI is really stubborn and the stuff is not useful. CSGO resource in a V font file. Okay. CSGO resource box rocket V font. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh my god, interloper reference, box rocket. Could I open it anyway? How to open V font files. Access system files management. I don't think that's it. Maybe he just thinks fonts, but like I typed an extra letter, so I gotta put it in quotes. I don't think that's helping. Font. Font is a tool used to convert TTF font files to VFont files. Used in Left 4 Dead, Engine Branch, and newer. Okay. Or I could download, please. Is it like in the game? Oh, VFont to TTF. There's a guide. Okay. VFont.exe. Oh, I can download it. Okay, it's a Google Drive. Decompiler. I specifically need decompiler. Actually, could I get a VFont to SVG, perhaps? I'll just get back over there and... perhaps font to SVG. TTF to SVG. Split or just turn it to one thing? I'm not sure, but okay, I agree. So we got VFont decompiler. Download that. Oh my god, I'm downloading a third person. Okay, I can only download for some reason all of it. Oh, it's because it's a zip. Boo. I guess it does compress things. And we're gonna run decompiler. Okay, sure, whatever. Extract all. On decompiler. Yeah, run anyway. Here's 0.dll. The hell are you missing? Set up your games install app here. Let me see the original. Compiler doesn't support drag and drop. This requires a surrogate. It handles both conversions, forum, and okay. So, I got a vfont file over here. Just gotta find it. Strike vfont, I presume? Maybe it's called something different. Vfont. Right. C strike, bandana, toolbox, rod, CS, box rocket, vfont. I could try C strike, and then we could try box rocket or CS logo is probably just the CS logo. Strike, vfont handler. I didn't mean to transfer it. Open file location. Wait, is it still here? Oh, because I'm transferring between drives, right. Okay, so put it in the handler. Put the handler in the font. What am I supposed to do? Do you decompile it somewhere? Don't change any of this below. Set your game's path here. Left 4 Dead. In Left 4 Dead. Did it just put it in Left 4 Dead? I don't even have Left 4 Dead. I presume it just didn't run. Okay, I want to import this into here, let's say. Okay, copy address as text. And then I gonna... Oh, right, I'm looking in the zip. That's probably why it didn't work. Where the hell did I put? Oh, here it is. Yeah, let's go. Panorama fonts. No, no fonts. Panorama. I forgot. Where are the fonts? What I was suggest? Oh, right, I'm still in the server. Myself over there. Oh god, my ears hurt. That was loud. I think it's panorama fonts. No, but that's not the fonts I need. Conf D? Not either. Okay, where else? In the thing itself, but I don't see it except a bunch of pack files. Materials? Panorama? Okay, that's just the images. Icons. But that's... Yeah, I have been here, that's not it. Game. CSGO? Panorama. Fonts. On Noto Sans, Noto Serif. It's all Noto. No materials. Resource. Okay, where the hell am I supposed to go? Oh, right. CSGO resource. Oh, CSGO weapon icons. Oh, jeez. I think I found the original TTF. Yeah, it looks about right. But I need the AK-47 one. Download font file. Is it vfont? See downloads. Oh, I have to register. Fuck you. Oh wait, it's literally the website. Download. No, I can't. You do not have permission to access this page because of several reasons. Dude, shut your bit. Okay, we were so close to victory. So I have to go to resources instead? Resource, and we already got the fonts. Crosshair, CSGO, that. Futurot. Futurot. Okay, Brainrot Futurama. Sounds kind of funny. Icon. I assume it's probably the CS fonts. Oh, it could be UI? Ooh, buy menu config. Oh! 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 Oh, wait. Wait! Wait! What did I find? Oh my fucking, excuse me for saying that, God. 1 second, I need to take a drink of victory. Holy my goddamn shit. Yes, we found it! We found it! We fucking found it! Look at it! I think you do see my notepad, right? I did give you a demo of my notepad. This is so good. Oh, it's only me right now. Hey, celebrate! Still, I found it! Woo! Yeah, baby! Now I have to recreate it. We probably gonna fix the buy menu command thing. I just gonna slightly change it. Where's my OBS? Where's my OBBBBBS? Put this. Oh wait. Would I have multiple? Can I just close that? Okay, I didn't close OBS. Thank God. So I can just change this text. Alright, we're set. Okay, I washed it all down. Now we're ready to go. So I'm probably gonna go right now and open the thing. Open the mod in... not CSGO mod. Why do I have CSGO mod saved as a folder? That's probably vscripts. Yeah, this one. We're gonna add a folder called resource. And right now, just for testing, because I did found it in resource UI. Make a UI folder. And you motherfucker are called by menu config.txt. I don't even have to change the extension, which is not a problem for me, but... oh my god, I found it. So what I probably gonna do seems to not use the secondary names, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna add a slice. Okay, slice type weapon, right? I'm gonna copy the SSG slice. That's how it works, right? And the weapon is gonna be AK-74. That's all I gotta do. Again, try to add a slice. And just in case, I'll try to change the UMP-45 for an AWP in the SMG tab to even see if it works, in case it doesn't show up. Okay, let's try it. So what we do now, you can see in my MIGI window, right now, all I have to do is click this button and then update build. And now, it should be compiled by now. Yeah, it's compiled. And now when I launch CS2, you get that launched up. Hell yeah. Yay, CSGO, look at it. It's beautiful. Right now, I don't see it on stream, but it's like a 1 minute ping. So, yeah, I got CSGO launched up, and now we go for it. Okay, CSGO has probably by this point loaded. Oh, it didn't. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So, all I have to do is open the buy menu, and then in rifle, okay, SMG. No, actually, did like. Oh, equipment. Okay, I gotta check that later, but. Right now, it doesn't seem like we got an AWP in here instead of any gun. It all looks the same to me. I don't think we got a 74. Like, actually, I only made it for CT, but I'm not sure. Let me change teams. No, there's nothing. Okay, it didn't work, but we still found it, so. Main menu, content type, parent, array, rifle menu, pistol menu, okay, heavy menu, SMG menu, rifle menu, equipment menu, grenade menu, and then we have for each menu we have the things. So I tried to edit the op in instead of what weapon? So we have the UMP-45 and now we have the op over here. Now if I open this, why the fuck the bomb is planted? Yeah, 1 second. Okay, if I look in this SMGN menu, the UMP is still over here. So that's not good. Why? Because that's not what I want. So, is there any more specifications? No? I did add the AK-74 over here as the weapon option. Uh, okay. By menu config.txt. Why is not sheet command? Oh, what kind of wait, can I use the by command already? Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. I'm gonna change teams to T just in case, because although I am extrapolating from CT, I'm gonna try both. Ouch. Okay, so by AK-74. What? Maybe, perhaps. Lead Galera. Oh, that's not an option apparently for the console command. I know why it doesn't like auto change the command, but for like by yeah, it doesn't give me the option of my custom weapons, so I don't think it works like that. Maybe the reason actually, otherwise it would render the AWP, so that's kind of weird for me. Okay, so apparently you can buy a gun through an ID, so I'm gonna try actually that for a second, just for funsies. And if that doesn't work, then I don't know. Gonna commit war crimes? Probably not. Probably gonna actually try to make the thing work. So, where are you? AK-74, 9301. So buy 9301. Oh, I did get an alert. Oh my god, I'm shooting while walking. Look at me. So I got a headshot. Alright, let's see. Okay, it still doesn't let me buy the 74. Maybe perhaps by just the ID? Nope. The command doesn't work, so that's kind of disappointing. And I don't think I can let it buy anyhow. So let's keep searching. Well, it is called a config. Maybe I could perhaps change it to actual CFG file. Could I in theory execute it? Although it is called by menu config.txt literally in there. KP1, that's not it. Okay, the AI is tripping over here. Okay, that's autobuy.txt. That's not what I want. Buy menus for CSS. Maybe perhaps I could use quotes, but I'm afraid just not gonna find it. Oh my god. KP down error. Ooh, slice type. B82 and not B62. Is it possible to change that? That's what you're looking for. Huh? Okay, it does provide a code snippet, but it's just to edit. I could also try my MP restart game. Or... oh right, this is a pistol round. Kill T. Okay, I see shoots one. You goddamn bastard. Okay. That's how we do it. Just fucking say a thing in your hands. Just like put up your hand to the face and say bad quality. And the crisis is solved. And can I afford it? Did I hear a sound? Oh, I probably pressed 6 for his car. That's why. That's why it's not working. Oh, that SVG failed to load. Okay. Doesn't like something. I know what exactly. I mean, working old CSGO. Oh, that's just the reference to the whole thing. Classic global offensive, another archive. That's probably also an old archive of CSGO. No, I don't want it to use their Chinese app. Please don't make me. Video panel dots. Oh, that's actually a tutorial for something. And I just quit out of it by accident. No. Okay. I'm probably gonna need the Google Translator. Sure, whatever, to Russian. My menu. And it does not have to be changed. Come on. So it's just a tutorial how to change your voice lines. Which, okay. Hiding by menu buttons possible. Any solutions on that? And there's nothing. CSGO config. The buy menu dot Control F buy. Buy script. Okay. Oh, just a really big config. Okay. Just includes that for some reason. Oh, come on, don't put spaces into it. There's literally like only 5 pages that directly mention it. If I remove the .txt, there's literally a copy of it. Okay. Let's see. Script B. Okay, it's apparently obscure stuff website. At least I think so. That's how it was described. Just a bunch of PDF documents for some reason. They just contain all of this. Oh, and it's all this unblurred. Oh, come on, I have to watch an ad? Oh, screw you! CSGO config. Okay. Compara.cfg. It's just that. Seriously, that's only it just yielded a weird website. Looking at the pictures, it's not any better. It's just the same website's pictures. MIGI. Let's do this. Oh, that's the fucking Minecraft tutorial. Possible to replace an existing asset unless overwritten inside of the pack. MIGI supports doing so using those P folders, which gets their files added to the new additive pack of 1 when building. This is identical to what the hashtag pack folders do on M add-ons, except without the whole extracting from the VPK stuff. Oh, that's neat. Notes. Config files such as your name can be directly placed of MIGI/CSGO folders instead of the add-ons as long as the add-on exists. We'll account those files and we'll include them during the build. Just make sure you don't forget to move them back to their respective add-ons once done tweaking them. Other assets. Weapons are loaded by model name and not by C, and their animations are... Weapons won't work with them. If you were to make add-ons for demos, you'd have to replace set their sources, therefore same can be said about particles. They might just not load. Hijack. The names after the hijacks sounds allows you running CS:GO instance. Rejection or anything of this. Running CSGO.exe a second time with insecure hijack command name. Best used in a windowed or borderless mode. You can simply click the buttons and directly, even better on two monitors. And okay, yeah, that's pretty neat. Oh my god, there's not. You have to use outside intervention. How is this so big? Not in a way that he didn't deserve to see. That chap allotted would go. Yep. Why does it say it's big enough? Not. Why does it let me send a message and then says it doesn't actually say it's too big, it just says that the message wasn't delivered. It's for first take. I probably just should send a TXT at this point. I'm not the clearest thinking person. I'm having brain parts sometimes. Of course, a ton of text in the same chat. I hope he doesn't have pings in that channel. I hope he doesn't have pings at all because he has like Desco, other servers. I don't think he can do nice. I found a similar one. But you got a vague answer. Yes, yes, for sure. Okay, I'm back. so... Okay. And nobody answered that question. Nice. So let's keep scrolling. Have the WMV mod. Modern Warfare. For fuck's sake, I can't read that these fucking acronyms. No, there's nothing yet in them. Buy menu mod. Okay, so Payday 2 link. Why is that here? It's not even highlighting fucking anything. My menu doesn't appear in the HUD like it does in the new one. How can I quickly buy custom mod weapons? Cash app me 6,000. Literally anybody gonna give me a useful answer. Custom buy menu. Eating custom buy menus and okay, thank you buy menu. I will once install the custom buy menu mod. Everybody references one mod, but I'm kind of trying to do it vanilla because I'm sure there's gotta like I found a config file, but it just doesn't do anything. Oh, it's just a buy menu by some weird iPad thing. Probably replaces the Chrome iPad. That's probably what it does. Okay, can we literally have anything not related to that? I literally want to just add it to the buy menu, not the custom buy menu. I want to customize the buy menu, not to get a custom buy menu. Does anybody know how to change or modify CSGO buy menu? I want to add some guns and change the menu headers, but can't find it. But menu.txt is not used by CSGO. Not good. Okay. Short answer, the current buy menu is not moddable. Yet Panorama is. Unless you use some HLA stuff. No backport from source 2. Okay, they say I cannot edit Panorama. But the thing is, I'm not using Panorama, I'm using UI, which is is located on the resource, not on the panorama. I'm not sure that's editable then. Game isn't moddable. Okay, well, that's a thing to figure out. By the way, the radio panel is over there, which I have seen. So that's a good thing, I guess. part where the loadout cannot be changed in game. Like the literal weapons you use can change like the revolver. Some pistols you can change around. You can't do that here. But it's Legacy CS. That feature. I believe that's a bit outrageous. funny thing, all this time, you didn't hear me, I was searching for the thing, the whole time. Didn't find it. I did actually find counter evidence, but there's barely like any mentions of the following txt file on the whole goddamn internet, and I have no clue what to do with it. Like, the only things I found is the internet archives of old CSGO versions. And also, I think a tutorial for a different menu for the radio commands menu. Apparently that one worked, but for some reason when I try to edit the buy menu, nuh-uh. The game just says, fuck you. If you see Dr. Breen, tell him that I said, fuck you! Oh yeah, I also forgot yesterday's Gmail. I got any. And I didn't get any Gmails. Awesome! Sorry, I had to do it. Okay. Can I find anything of use for the goddamn file? I could figure it out, but I already... This is like the limit of my knowledge on this. I have counter arguments that doesn't work, but it's only about a different file. There's also counter arguments that says, I don't know, or there's no method yet, and they come like from 4 years ago. There was a method by making the weapon like an alternative, like, you know, the R8 against the Deagle, but that doesn't work anymore because fucking Valve Incorporated decided, oh, when we gonna convert the whole fucking game and turn it into nothing, when we're gonna turn it into CS2, we gotta remove everything, and also the goddamn loadout menu. So I can't change my loadout. It has to be the same thing. So that's not an option anymore. And then when I change the file that I do know, nothing happens. Nothing ever happens. You know? Like that fucking meme. Like, I have it open right now, right here. Yeah, slice type weapon. Weapon. The weapon is specified. But no! Like, maybe it's related to the, like, no free slots? But then I don't see what's the issue then with me replacing one of the weapons with the AWP. Hey, what's wrong with that then? And it doesn't like error out or remove the slot, it stays the same, so I assume there is no change. Otherwise, I just don't understand why that happens. Like, what the fuck is wrong with this? And I did recompile. I did fucking recompile. You've probably seen me like relaunch CSGO and go into MIGI. Right now, I'm on the server. That's half of those verdicts come from. And the worst thing, it's also pretty inactive. So I send the weapon, not the weapon, the code, like, I'm trying to edit the buy menu by adding an edited version of path, but it does nothing. Am I doing something wrong? Since that time, since the time I literally joined the server, I'm not shitting you, nothing has changed. There's not a single message. Like, what's the last message in general? Like, even generally, is last message, getting things yesterday. I guess it's not that bad, but I don't think anything ever happens, sadly. And we do have the custom buy menu mod, but I could not figure it out either. So I'm kind of screwed on every front line. I tried to even send my way through by using ChatGPT, but it's spewing complete garbage. In Google, AI feature doesn't help either. It just gives non-related advice, like how to just open the buy menu. If the thing clearly says how to mod. Maybe if I add modding. You need to utilize community-made tools and plugins, as direct modification with discourage can lead to issues. Source mod? Source mod. CSGO doesn't fucking have a source mod. I can't make a CS source mod. Like, the only CS source mods are only made by people where, like, Valve. I'm a big fucking corporation. Could I have the fucking engine for CSGO? That's literally the only cases. Like, even Zool himself had to, like, fuck over the game. Edit the configuration files. Already talked about this. Configure the plugin. Literally talking about configuration files again. Consider weapon categories. Test. Yeah, this is absolute garbage. CSGO buy menu width. As the title says, I need a plugin where I can type, for example, buy, and then a menu would pop out for select. Okay. And there's literally nothing. Come on! Oh, that's just for fucking Gary's mod. I actually seen this one. That well. And like the only one that works actually doesn't work either. I had to fucking modify it directly. He has no mod menu on TikTok? Oh, it's just a search. Why is there fucking Minecraft on there? Some weird CSGO clips, I guess that's fine. I know TikTok became mainstream like almost when CSGO started dying, so to be honest now. Adding a new weapon to your mod, that's for source mod, which is, yeah, kinda sucks. CSGO buy menu. Also, what I don't like, there's a lot of requests where it's CS 1.6 buy menus. It's not pretty good. I got classic offensive in there. I guess some people are classically offensive. Counter Strike non-Steam download CS 1.6 free. Oh god. Ultimate resource for Minecraft. Where is this going? Okay. How to add a web... Fuck! CSGO via modding. These files don't even exist. Okay. This is source mod. It's creating skins for CSGO. I know, is it me or Google just have become a force engine? What if I go to DuckDuckGo? Happens to my menu. CSGO mod. Not M mod. I have an issue where some of my keys double tap, which is also not very good. It's mostly A, which sometimes even quarter taps. File menu. File menu for CSS, that's not it. CSGO/CSS, assemble gun menu, allied modder. How to add weapons to the CS2 buy menu, Counter Strike 2. For fuck's sake. And yeah, this is just loadout. How people don't know? Well, I guess I didn't know. I did actually search up a tutorial for samples too. Fandom Wiki. This is absolutely useless garbage, and like, isn't that not common? Like, is it that bad? Like, to what degrees do I have to go? Is there like a tool I'm missing? Like, okay, they have the buy menu. The guys themselves on the servers can figure it out, but like, even for the gun icons, am I like missing some kind of golden grail of force tools? Make that, because I'm kind of struggling with it, not gonna lie.
3 mercenaries left. Back at our start.
Don't spectate and try to figure it out. Another thing I don't like that the whole map disappears if you go into the void while I spectate and see us go. It's kinda bad. So yeah. It sucks, I can agree. I think this stream might end again before I actually figure anything out. Okay, let me try again. Trying to use ChatGPT. I know. And I will allow him to find many conflicts. Got G. I think it's CS:GO. Okay. I'm still asking him. So. Loaded by the game's resource. Write it effectively. Unfactor and extract i.ctx files from the game. These are compiled binary formats. X. So there's a CTX file. I basically have to find even ChatGPT says that he couldn't, or it couldn't find anything. To be honest, I'm not blaming him. I couldn't find anything either. I just gonna assume GFC escape. Have escape installed? Oh, it's probably not on that PC. Yeah, escape. I don't remember which one. I think this one. Get an installer. Yeah, sure, whatever. I do accept the agreement. Please do not execute me. I want you to be associated. Okay? And tag files. Okay, install. GCF escape. Okay, now I'm gonna try to find the where he was referencing. Weird C format? X. Never heard of it actually. Let's try to find CTX. Oh, items dot CTX. Maybe I should go just CTX. There's not a single file of that format. ChatGPT, what are you doing? What is .ctx anyways? CTX is a file format of a ICE encoded script. Most source multiplayer games use ICE encryption for weapon scripts and other modifying game files. CTX file present, the engine will only read CTX files for that category, egg weapon scripts. Or there's, even if a TXT version is present, or there are some CTX files missing. So the thing is, ICE, information concealment engine, upper boot script. Boo, Valve. Boo. Boo. I don't even know where the CTX is. There's literally not a single CTX file I could find because if I do .vpk, it finds that. .ctx? No CTX files. I think even if I just search CTX, CT already shows like CT. So CTX is not a thing? At least there's not a single one? CTX converter. Oh, that's image. CTX converter is a GUI wrapper which removes the default DOS basic commands of the decompiling and compiling CTX and .txt files. .ctx file. So I presume if I make a CTX version of that, I could perhaps get it, but I hope it still exists. Of course, gonna have executables. Doesn't work. Only works for CSS, DOD, and HL2D. Don't download this tool, no longer functions, so the page is most likely abandoned. One incorrect, one unhelpful. Problems, not outputting the TXT file. Old ass comments, I can get it to work. There are some old ass comments. Hey, I could try Oh, it's a fucking rare. Do I have bean rare? I don't think I have bean rare. I don't have bean rare in here. Go fuck yourself. Like a mirror on child community. But basically, I'm not sure. We might be screwed. How to scripts. Depends on going. Did dude actually decompile the thing? That's not relatable. Perhaps there is CS like so. Why the fuck does it show up like oh my crow? That's weird. So if I go yeah, I only found by many auto dot not by many config both. What if I search menu? Items by menu. Oh, okay, I got it. By menu dot bpk. Thank God GFC Escape exists. Maps. UI. By menu. Maps? Huh? Oh, now I know what it means. By menu is, I think there's a special map for by menu for CS2. That's probably why it gives me the fucking source. No, that might be not reason. Maybe same format. By command dot by menu config. I think that's also mine. Bro, it is called. Oh yeah. Wait, that was. By presets default. I think this one is not useful because if I. Yeah, this is just shotgun, sniper, SMG. No use to me. Kinda a shame we cannot make parallel weapons anymore. Still no answer on the derivative Eagles Discord. Oh god, this is sad. But yeah, this is kinda a shame. I think I actually cannot do it without configs or like a custom buy thing script. And the chat thing doesn't really work. So what we're gonna try is we actually gonna check something. I heard, or maybe not heard, from ChatGPT. Yes, you can kill me for that. I allow you. Just kidding. Don't. Apparently, the print L does not work in CS:GO, so I have to use print. But the fucker wrote the code with print L, so. Okay, I have edited mapspawn.not. Also, is there like prepped exec prep line debug client dump all execute client help. Okay, so I was thinking that change, and we're gonna try using it. Doesn't work? Well, fuck me sideways. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I think I don't actually have any more time for today. Everything has to be so goddamn painful. If I solved that issue already, I would probably add like a fuck ton of weapons. But I can't. I can't. That's the issue. Like, I got 6 minutes and then I'm just tired. I can't no more. I plan to do this till like 21 in my time zone. And it's like not a single thing except like copy few files and look at fucking could not find anything pages at Google. Just I can't. Well, except tests this flow change. Let me just shut off MIGI CSGO. MIGI find my MIGI build. Build. Here we go. I did it a little early. Anything bad? Also, there's the hijack option, which I kind of wanted to try. So let's CSGO launch. Okay, we got that. Try the Dust 2 hot map. Okay, it does actually work. Oh crap. It locked my cursor in the middle and I pressed change level because of that. Deception. I'm dead after a few seconds. I think my hijack unhijacked. Okay, T-side me. I know why T-siding myself does that. And my mouse is locked. Help. I can't do anything. Oh, I did something. Hijack. Oh yeah, it does refund value. Weapons. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Kind of weird that the human model shakes so hard with the revolver. I know it does it. Like, you can't even see the arms are kind of swaying. But that's not the thing. If I say something, why does it not do anything? Literally saying the same thing as yesterday. Seriously, can do Okay, I think I'm gonna depart for today. I can't cope with this anymore. Valve basically cut off my last possible chance of actually being able to do anything about it. It's only the gift command, and I need it to be not the gift command because gift command is SV cheats 1. There's first consequences with that, and second, I kind of wanted to make it a mod that I could play with friends, or you could play with like, your friends. Perhaps making a local or public server, srdc.exe, but it doesn't. That makes me sad. Again, not a single message. This server, wait, actually, I want to check general messages. Oh my god, the distance between each message is literally 3 days in general. I know my stream is that, but I think my stream at the moment more alive than that goddamn server. Well, I gotta go. No, I'm not gotta go, I just gonna go. I am just kind of sad. It's that bad. Oh, I guess see you tomorrow, and I wish you luck and happy pigs or something. I don't know what people wish you. I couldn't do basically anything on this stream. Painful. Well, see ya.